What's going on? This is Markie Williams. Welcome to my channel regarding online certification courses. Allow me to break down these courses and what they consist of. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set or brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. Lately, a lot of YouTubers are going faceless when creating content. So even if you never made a video in your life, you'll be able to follow along. In this workshop, you'll discover the ins and outs of making engaging videos using AI technology. The Faceless AI Video Workshop framework is designed for everyone. Whether you're camera shy, don't have the gear, or just value your privacy, this workshop has got you covered. An AI video reel autopilot system is simply a software platform that utilizes artificial intelligence to automatically generate and publish short video content, just like the ones you may have seen on TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, or YouTube Shorts, but across various social media platforms, essentially creating and distributing engaging video content without too much manual intervention from the user. The AI YouTube Traffic Accelerator will give you an unfair advantage by optimizing your videos when it comes to trending searches, giving you enhanced watch time, and naturally boosting your rankings. The AI tool will tell you exactly what people are searching for, what topics are trending, so your videos will be watched by a lot of people. The AI YouTube Traffic Accelerator tool will also give you the perfect video titles that get you ranked in the search results. In addition, your video will help you get more clients for your business. Some people are still not aware that an eye-catching thumbnail makes a world of a difference when it comes to someone clicking on your content. Powered by ChatGPT, it's smart enough to know what works, blending the perfect mix of visual and text that stand out from the rest. Forget spending hours on designs or paying freelancers high fees for ineffective thumbnail designs. With a click, you have eye-catching thumbnails that not only look professional, but are primed by AI technology to increase your click-through rates. The Magic AI Thumbnail Maker can create over 100 original thumbnails every day for you. With this AI sound design bundle framework, you'll be able to generate realistic AI voiceovers, discover how voice cloning works so you can start saving money in return. You don't have to pay for narration. You also discover the one-click AI voice enhancer method that instantly fixes the voice on your recordings, removing echo and background noise. Again, this will save you money when you don't have to spend money and time on complicated soundproofing systems or expensive microphones. Transform your video content with their whiteboard explainer bundle and the new AI character Genie. Packed with 439 unique hand-drawn sketches and an additional 10 bonus character pack, it offers the perfect solution for creating explainer videos that are easy to understand and get your clients to watch the entire presentation. The AI character Genie even takes it a bit further, allowing you to create custom characters on demand at no additional cost. There's quite a few more AI bundles to talk about, such as the AI Product Presenter or the ChatGPT Basic and beyond, and as well as these other AI bundle screenshots I put up here. After all is said and done, there's going to be a total of 20 courses, templates, and tools for you to use. You could pause and do the math on the value of these workshops compared to what the link in the description below is offering. Makes it a no-brainer. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be in the description below. Also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any trending certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. Always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.